Hello student, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the GATE official update related to admit card, and they have also released the one short notification related to exam date. So what do we need to think about that, and all these information we will discuss in this video. So you need to stay at the end of the video, and if you have any type of query, do mention in comment box. And if you want to any job related update, an exam update, or one-to-one interaction with me, then do join our Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel is given in a description box. So let's begin with the videos. So as you are aware of that, GATE has already scheduled the examination in first and second week of February, but now there is one official update which is coming from the update related to the exam and admit card date. What they have mentioned that the safety of our examination participant is our most priority, and due to the current COVID pandemic situation, all dates mentioned in the website may change. In a rare case, GATE 2022 examination may be postponed or cancelled due to the situation beyond control. All the candidates advised to get vaccinated for COVID-19. This notification is updated on official website. So what I think that, in my opinion, there is no chance of postponement of this examination, because last year the same thing is mentioned on official website, and also few of the students asking about whether the examination postponed maybe 1 to 2 months after the February. But in my opinion, there is nothing at all, because these are the in general statement which is mentioned by the IT, so that they may able to do this action if it is not in our controls. So in my opinion, do ready and go multiple revision before attempting to final examination. I also try to give at least 5 to 6 mock tests before going to final examination. And as per the schedule of admit card which they have mentioned on the first week of January, if everything is going well, then admit card will be also available in the first week of January itself. Maximum it get by the second week based on the scenario which is happening over there. But in right now situation, the examination is on schedule. There is no chance of postponement of this examination, because these examinations also depend on the few things of admission related to all the other IITs. Once these examination gets affected, then other process also going to affect at the end. So there is a less chance. So go ahead with the mock test and preparation with the multiple revision, and try to rectify your marks as soon as possible. So this is all updates which is getting from the official website of IIT Kharagpur. If you need any further information, do mention in comment box, and if you like our videos, definitely subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.